I started in March 2017. I used to work with an oil servicing firm, Subsea 7. They decided to lay off some workers. I was one of those that was affected. Never had this business in mind. I was thinking of something that is very touche, have an office. My wife came up with this idea. So I used to see people do it. I think that food is the main thing. People will always eat, whether you like it or not. I actually struggled with it for a while. I'm a graduate. How can I be frying akara? The amazing thing, after the first day we opened, I didn't actually come out, but she came home with a bunch of money, with very big money. I was, oh God, just today, you sold this. I decided to join, to start coming out, and since then it's been amazing. It's a point in my business. I have about 18 workers. Because at that then, within 3 months of starting the business, I already have like 4 branches, and I was paying over 500,000 a salary every month.
It's you doing what you know how to do best. People say you're dirty, you're data, you just don't know what you're doing and stuff like that. But for me, it does not matter. It's just what you do best. You just do your best.
Start 7 a.m. That's just our resumption time. 7 a.m. So about 7:30 we started frying. We close 10 p.m. It can be surprising, to you how much you can actually make from this business. Most time when God wants to bless you, He doesn't have to give you an office job or job that people can really actually accept. God can bless you with things that you least expect.